What's up, guys? It's Nate. I'm back with another interesting video, this time related to the cars and more on the manufacturing side. So I jumped in deep and I bought the TronXY Veho-600. I couldn't find any content on this specific printer online yet, so I figured why not make some for you guys. We're going to open this up, we're going to unbox it, we're going to assemble it, and we're going to do some test prints. It might be a multi-part series, but let's get into it. Let's dive right in, open up these boxes, see what they came with, and get this Veho-600 kit assembled. Let's go. So first thing you'll notice when you get the Veho-600 in is that it is massive, okay? It is absolutely massive. It comes in 2 boxes. I have them precariously stacked like a fool, and they are very, very heavy. They're probably like 45 pounds each. I have no idea what makes them that heavy, but we'll find out when we get into it. This is my Ender 5 Plus for comparison. It makes it look absolutely tiny, and it makes these look like toys. So let's get into it. Let's bust it open and check out the components on this Veho-600. Let's try and unstack these. I'm 6'3", 215 pounds. This is pretty big. Let's open up this first box, this long box, and see what the heck we got going on in here. Reality scraper. Yeah. All right, let's move in for a closer look. All right. Let's see what we got. Nice. We have our screws, screw rods, for our axis, some extrusions, some aluminum extrusions. Heavy duty, actually. Let's just lay this stuff down. I know these aren't ideal conditions on carpet to be building your 3D printer, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, look at this. We have our rails here. I'm just gonna pull these out gently and place them on this foam and get them ready. Look at these linear rails. This wheel came with a little plastic on it or something. No big deal. Aha, here we go. Got some motors. Some trim. And here's our extrusions. These are heavy. This must be the plate for the print head. More pieces for the frame. I just want to get this box out of here since I'm limited on space. The braces for the frame. Ooh, we have a belt motor. TronXY. Pretty beefy stuff. Feels pretty quality so far, I'm not going to lie. Feels pretty thick, well made. Nothing is light here. Compared to my other printers, this is really heavy duty. This is this new frame, this rounded edge they're putting on. I don't know if I'm a fan of this because you can't really bolt anything to the outside, but we'll see how it works out. Got a couple different lengths here. And that's it for this box. let's get into the next box and see what we got. Now let's get into this second box and see the components. These are large boxes now, mind you, so I'm not gonna be in the frame, but I'm not what you want to see. You want to see the goods. So I assume this is like the print bed and the extruder and all the other fun stuff, motors, and computer, and whatever the heck else. Let's see here. Woo! Look at that print bed, dude. It's massive, massive with the PEI snap plate. Okay, I'm pretty excited about that. Let's see. I hope it has good adhesion. I hope this has good adhesion for real. And I hope this just kicks ass. Look at the size of that print bed. Look at the size of that. Oh my gosh, guys. I need to find space to put all this so I can assemble it. Wow. Put this over here. Okay, and here we have all of the rest of our components. Fantastic. We got the typical stuff like our toolkit, our cable for our computer, USB, extra little belt spare parts in here. Now we have our screws. They give you spare screws. That's awesome. They give you spares for everything in the screw bag. That's pretty nice. I like spares. We got a manual here. I like manuals. Pretty thick. Nice pictures. Yeah, what you would expect from a manual. Aha! Okay, let's see what we got. We got all our triangle, all our braces all for the corners, all the covers, the beauty plates for those. We have our belt, our cable belts, our motors, springs for the bed, adjusters, 9 hotbed springs. And we have our belts. Another motor here. We have our extruder head. This. Ooh-wee. Dual drive extruder. Auto sensor, the TR sensor. I'm pretty excited. Filament runout sensor, obviously. All the good stuff. Look at these ports. Fans with the ports. You guys see that? Pretty stoked on this. Direct drive. Dual drive. Should absolutely rip. Let's see. What do we have in here? It's our touch screen. This is our touch screen. Badass unit. We got our heavy duty feet. Nice big fat feet for the ground here. Some bracketry. I don't know, some sort of sensor. Gears. Bearings. And more brackets. That's another sensor. Those limit switches, what are those? I can't tell. Anyways, what do we have here? We have our power cable and a big old scraper. Ooh, I like this scraper. They give you a... Come on, Creality, step your game up, dude. Look at this fat boy. Woo. Anyways, I'm going to have to get all of this out of the box, find some place for it to get assembled, and I got to start building the frame and start building the components. I'm actually going to watch some assembly videos myself because there is one assembly video from TronXY online. I'm going to check that out. I'm going to go through the manual, and then I'm going to start assembling this machine. Hey guys, so I'm going to do a little bit more research on the assembly of this before I go ahead and teach you guys how to assemble it. So I'm going to watch a couple videos, read through this manual, and then I'll catch you on part 2 where we assemble this unit and you see all these components come together into that big old Veho. Okay, so let's go for the Veho, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.